Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. American journalist Patricia Meschino has set the record straight on her comments in a recent article, "Dancehall is not thriving." The Billboard writer spoke with E-Prime on board the Marley-led 5th anniversary Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise yesterday, saying the article is misleading.
First of all, it was sensationalized, taken out of context, but also it was not a quality statement because I love so many of today's dancehall acts.
Patricia agreed, however, that the landscape has changed and that outside of Sean Paul, less Jamaican acts have managed to cross over to mainstream U.S. market in recent years.
Keep in mind, I lived through the 90s. I started in the 1990s. I was there when Shabba Ranks was breaking, when Buju Banton was breaking, when Supercat was breaking. So these were artists had a mainstream presence, had a presence in the hip-hop audience, had a presence in the R&B market, and in the case of Shabba, even touching the pop charts. Then in the 2000s again with Sean Paul. So compared to those standards of success.
As it relates to the controversial Reggae Grammy Awards and the Marleys, the Billboard journalist added that the Marleys are always high contenders for the Grammy based on their popularity.
The Marley name is a huge name. There's a lot of name recognition. So if we don't have numbers of people who are versed in reggae, who know, oh, Protégé had a great album this year, or Chronics, or Taurus Riley, or whoever, you get that sense.
Ziggy Marley is a strong contender for the win this year.
They're popular, they do great work, so that translates into numbers that will make the charts.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.